This is MFR Off-Road Rider, back with another video. I'm out in Lolita, California, up on top of the hill overlooking Humboldt Bay, which is down there, and the Pacific Ocean over there. I'd like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for watching my videos. Give me thumbs ups and all the positive comments. This is my 172nd video, and I'm up to 383 subscribers, which is awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna take a little ride, and Happy New Year to all my subscribers and viewers. Hopefully 2022 will be better than 2020 and 2021. I don't see how it could be any worse, but anyway, yeah, let's go see if I'm gonna head down and see if they opened up the South Jetty. They were doing some maintenance to the South Jetty, and they closed the road so you couldn't even get down to the jetty. They're building up the jetty itself, putting big rocks and stuff like that to keep the waves from eroding the jetty out, I guess. But it's supposedly supposed to be back open, I think, but I won't know till I get down there, because I haven't been down there in a couple weeks or so. I think it was supposed to open at end of November or something like that. So yeah, let's go check that out. I haven't scheduled my 600-mile service yet. I'm at 607 miles. It's been, you know, with the holidays and everything, I just haven't had time, and a new job and everything. I just haven't had time, so I gotta get it scheduled. But yeah, I took my KTM in for its first service, and it was probably 150 miles overdue, you know, past the recommended period. But it's not that big a deal, I don't think, but it could be, I guess. But I got, yeah, 607 miles on the 2021 Honda Crf 300L Rally. Getting used to it and everything, and really like it, everything about it. Well worth the investment, but it's a little bit pricey when you pay all the fees, but you're going to pay that on anything you buy, especially in the state of California. I still have the tall windscreen on. I haven't taken it off yet. I was thinking about it, but then, like I said, when I woke up this morning, it was 28 degrees. And I figured, you know, whatever, the more wind protection, the better, you know, with it being colder. It's probably about like 40 degrees right now. I got my heated gloves on, bundled up, layered up, so not too bad. But I figured just a little bit more protection, you know, to block that colder wind would help. So, but I am putting the stock one back on. I just haven't done it yet. Still got the stock tires on as well, so I'll get to that. I'll get to them in a while. I just really haven't had time. I started my new driving job at Customer Trucking, and drove 1,548 miles this week in 5 days, which, I mean, it's not a lot for trucking, but I have, you know, I'm home every night, and it's considered a local job, so I mean, that's plenty of miles for me, you know, especially just starting back into driving every day. And it's a variety of things and a variety of places I go, so kind of keeps it from getting too monotonous. Hopefully they'll open up that sand road down here, down at the bottom of the hill there on Table Bluff soon, because it's a good it's good practice for the soft sand and stuff. It's a lot of fun. But they closed it to, I don't know what they called it, but they said something about something, I don't even know, I'd have to read it, but they call it, basically they're just kind of just redoing the road, or letting you know, the grass and the sand and the sand dunes and everything go back to nature a little bit, because it did get kind of tore up because people would go through and, you know, put a lot of heavy deep ruts on the road, and then people would start going off the road to go around all the ruts. And I think that's why because you're supposed to stay on the designated road, but it's got something to do with environmental stuff, I think. That's why they closed it. Oh, that was glass. Didn't even see it. Yeah, we've had, last week was rain and snow, and yeah, just definitely winter. Luckily I didn't have to drive any of the snow. I didn't have to chain up or anything. The roads were all clear. But they definitely had spots where you're supposed to stop and chain up because the road was coned off, you know, and you could see where they had remnants of it, where you had to, they wanted you to chain up. Yeah, the road's right down here. You can still, I guess you must be able to still take horses, but the road itself is blocked, I think. Maybe not. I see a lot of horses down here, but I don't see the road blocked off anymore. Well, that's good. That's the only bad thing about that road is they I can't believe they opened that road back up. Anyway, gotta be careful. There's a lot of horses and stuff that use the road that was closed, but it looks like it's back open again. I'm surprised because they said it was gonna be closed till sometime this year. So hopefully the jetty's open as well. Too bad the sand dunes aren't as a little bit lower, because you could normally see the surf, but because the sand dunes are so high you just can't even see the ocean from this side of the road. Yeah, I think I'm going to do another TT 250 video, my next video, I think, because I've gotten a lot more views on that bike the last video I did, which was a little over a month ago, but I was surprised. I figured I wasn't going to get any views, or very few, but we got quite a few. I was shocked. Not really shocked, just pleasantly surprised, I guess. Guess I still have TT250 video fans haven't left my channel yet, which is nice. Yeah, you can see snow out over there. It's supposed to rain all next week too, so I guess that's winter time. Whew, some big old potholes. And they're pretty sharp, you know, like you could possibly pop a tire, bend a rim if you hit it just right. Must be duck hunting season or something. There's a skull boat. Hopefully it's open. They opened it up. Hopefully they're done with the construction. So I'm not wasting, well, I'm not wasting my time. I'm riding, doing a video, which is always a good thing, especially this time of year. You just never know about the weather and things. Oh. Some of the smaller potholes, you go fast enough, you just fly right over them. Quite a bit of people out here today. Yeah, it definitely can get a little rough with a car. Yeah, I still got to do a comparison video. I was going to do it the other day, but the weather got good enough to ride. I was going to save it for a day, like, you know, a weekend or whatever, where I can't get out and ride. But I'm going to do it in my garage. I had a couple comments on the, you know, comparison of the two, so I'm going to do a video on that. But I'm gonna try to save it for like when I can't get out and ride, because now I'm limited to Saturday and Sunday to make videos because I work Monday through Friday now. So my days to do a video are shortened by one day. moment of truth here pretty quick. Looks like it might be open. They normally had a gate right up here. Looks like the gate's gone, so that's good. We finally finished it. Yeah, this is a place where if you pick the right spot, if you go out far enough on the jetty, you can fish without a license. It's just kind of cool. Yep, it's open. Nice. Should go out there and check that road, where the heck that road goes too. Oh, they still got lots of rocks to put in. They got these rocks all marked to set in, but looks like they opened it back up and they built it up quite a bit too. Looks like the wall over there is built up quite a bit more. Go right out here a little ways. When it's high tide, the water comes right up to this edge. You can't even get through here, and the waves and everything. It's pretty soft, sandy. Alright, well I better stop here. I'm gonna get stuck. But anyway, it goes way out there. Alright guys, well they got it open back up, which is kind of cool. And Sand Road, I'll be doing a video on that real soon since they opened that road back up. But yeah, hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell for the release of my next video. This is MFR Off-Road Rider. See you on the next one. Later.